Alright, what's up guys? This is Mark Augustine here, and in this video I'm going to talk about why I'm starting an Amazon FBA brand and what my plan is with it. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. These are the details I'm going to give you because this channel is about dropshipping mostly, and I've been interviewing, well, my experience in dropshipping. I've been interviewing a lot of other influencers and other entrepreneurs in different spaces. So I've interviewed Brett, that video will come out soon. I've interviewed in Los Angeles, and they have both built big FBA brands. One of Brett's intention is to sell as an asset. Iman Los Angeles is making cash flow and living off it as a sell. And because of that experience, I've seen the value of it. I'm now moving into Amazon FBA as a side project. So if you have any questions on this, let me know in the comment section. And so let me get into it. So Amazon FBA, for those of you guys who may or may not know, is a certain opportunity in e-commerce. I've had experience in dropshipping on Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, eBay, and all that stuff. And the dropshipping model provides very good cash flow. You start a business with little to no money, you invest in some software, and then you make a profit. So a lot of people use that business model to live off of, pay their bills, as good cash flow businesses. So I've done that for a lot of years and I continue to do that. But I've seen the value in Amazon FBA. What Amazon FBA is, what I'm getting into, is private label, where you buy a product, you put your own brand, you buy a product that you know you can make a margin, a profit margin, you put your own brand on it, you do the certain analysis to choose the correct product, you ship it into Amazon's warehouse and they ship it out for you. Now, the difference in the business models is that you generally have to invest more money to start the business with Amazon FBA. So if you have no money, this is not for you. But because I've been doing dropshipping for a long time, I've gotten back into it. I'm going to be investing some of that money into Amazon FBA product. Now, I'm going to show you guys the process of how I find the product, the process of branding it, and I'm doing this on the channel. Now, I'm only investing $1,000 in this product. So those of you guys who have $1,000 or more to invest in an Amazon FBA business, this will be for you. Because my goal is to find a cheap product, maybe at cost less than $3, order at least 300 of them on my brand when I do the competitive analysis and so on, ship it into Amazon and sell it. My goal with that $1,000 is to make maybe 200 to 300% profit, so there's enough money to come out of the product to buy more and to keep in stock. So I hope you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel to follow this journey, because this journey is going to be Mark doing Amazon FBA in 2022. Now, it doesn't take away from the fact that I still am dropshipping on eBay and Walmart, and I'll share that with you guys because I've outsourced that and have a number of people that run those accounts for me. But Amazon FBA, from my research, gives the opportunity to do a side project if you have money to invest, and because you don't have to go into all the process of shipping out every day and uploading tracking numbers, it spends a lot less time on a daily basis once you have the correct research and so on. So that's the beginning of the journey. This is just a kind of introduction to let you guys know that I'm getting to Amazon FBA and what are the parameters that I'm getting in at. And maybe next week I'll go through a video of how I researched the product, how I found the profit margin, what suppliers, because I'm actually getting help from Iman Los Angeles. Iman Los Angeles is a guy that I've interviewed on the channel a couple of times. He's sold over $1 million in the past year on Amazon. So I'm taking his and Brett's lead. These are guys I've networked with and sharing my experience with you guys here on YouTube. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section if you do Amazon FBA, if you have any questions about how to get started, what software, any question you have around Amazon FBA and starting an Amazon FBA business with less than $1,000, let me know in the comment section. Also, soon we'll be publishing a free Amazon dropshipping course, 100% free. Why? Because the dropshipping model is generally for people who have little money to invest. So we're giving away a free course that I've done paid courses before, but in 2022 we'll be giving out for free. So look out for that. If you want me to hurry up and get that out, comment free on the video. Have a good one, guys. Peace.